Hey guys, if you're watching this video, it's because you've got an amazing front porch agent that wants to make sure that you get your tax exemptions filed in time for Hamilton County. So you're going to want to get those filed by December 31st, by the end of the business day. Typically, that's going to be 4:30 p.m. for Hamilton County. But on New Year's Eve, you're going to want to make sure on the 31st that you get those filed before 4 p.m. So there's two exemptions we're going to talk about. We're going to talk about the homestead exemption and the mortgage exemption. You can file those either in person or online. If you file them in person, you're going to want to go to the address that you see on the screen in Noblesville, and you're going to want to bring your driver's license and have your social security number ready to file those in person. So you would want to tell them that you need to verify that your homestead has been filed by the title company if you closed on a home this year, and let them know that you need to file your mortgage exemption. So with the homestead exemption, typically the title company will file that exemption for you. But if you had any changes to the deed, say you added an owner to a home or removed an owner from a home, you need to refile all of your exemptions. So any type of change in ownership requires that you refile all of your exemptions. For the mortgage exemption, if you purchased a home this year or refinanced on your current home, you need to file your mortgage exemption no later than December 31st. So you can do that again in person or online. Online is fairly simple. I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So if you look at the web address on my screen, you're going to want to go to that web address. So if you enter that into your browser, it's going to take you to the site I'm on here. And you're going to see these property tax deductions and credits. And that's where you're going to have some options. You've got your standard homestead credit, which is at the bottom. That's the one the title company will typically file for you. Again, you'll want to verify that. And then you've got your mortgage deduction, which you will file if you purchased or refinanced this year. So I'm going to tap on the mortgage deduction. And it gives you some information about that mortgage deduction, and it gives you some options. The mortgage deduction form, the PDF version, is for you to fill out and print off and bring in. It's probably much easier for you to just go in and fill it out in person. If you're going to do it online, you're going to tap this mortgage deduction form online. It's going to take you to a third-party site. And from there, you're going to be able to search for your particular property. After you find your property, it's going to walk you through the form on how exactly to file that mortgage exemption. Very simple. If you get lost while you're doing it, call, text, or email your real estate agent. I'm sure they can get you the information you need. Hope this was helpful, and have a blessed 2019.